Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Kathleen from Shumatt, China. And our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts, and today I will show you one of our hard sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, the package is WVCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label. The first line is our Shumatt brand, and the product code is F00RJ02806. For the logo, label, packages, etc., we support customized service. And now let's check the inside part. The transparent bottles prevent some hurt during the translation, and one layer of the oil paper to wrap it up for the inside valve assembly. Take a look. And for this valve assembly, the plug cable inject number is 04451201110, etc. And the product code is F00RJ02806 series, China made brand new. Let's take a look for the valve cap. There is the coating figures here. The valve rod. Each product will supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, annual customers, we have the quality guaranteed. 6 months warranty time. So much for this one. At last, if you want to know more about a product, please leave us by the comments or send us by the messages. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. See you next time. Bye.